So good morning guys, myself Mohammed Lukman Khan and today I am explaining the wonderful topic about the Big Bang Theory. Here I have discussed the scientific discovery of modern idea of the Big Bang Theory. These are the axiom point of view theory by Muhammad Lukman Khan. So let's go to further and go to the upcoming slide. So let's go to further. Previous theory of the Big Bang Theory, which is told by the Cambridge professor Dr. Stephen Hawking. Singularity point explosion by black hole. As we know that for a long time there has been a theory known as the Big Bang Theory, which is presented by one of the greater professor of Cambridge University, whose name is Dr. Stephen Hawking. Explained that the Big Bang marks the beginning of time. He suggested that it is the cause of the explosion of singularity point, which might also be understood as explosion of black holes. As explained that when time is reversed back to the very beginning, space and time come back to halt. Something similar is observed inside a black hole. In a black hole, the warping of space and time is so extremely that it crushes the matter because gravity is so immensely strong. Black hole near their end and gravity increases so much that they become denser and denser until finally nothing remains. As the stage space and time are stopped, they explode with a tremendous Big Bang. By presenting the reason, Stephen Hawking suggests that the origin of Big Bang could have been a massive explosion of black holes. Let's go to the upcoming slide. We're talking about my point of view of the modern idea of the Big Bang. The modern idea of the Big Bang by dark matter, dark energy, and role of gravity combination. In this paper, I have presented the modern idea of Big Bang, where I have explained the cause of Big Bang not as a black hole explosion, but due to the effect of dark energy and dark matter. In this paper, I have modified the Stephen Hawking theory and proposed a new modern interpretation of the Big Bang driven by dark energy and dark matter. I have created two handwritten models in this paper: colliding brane multiverse, centered gravity model, and redshift model. In this both of the model, I have shown that the origin of Big Bang lies in energy and dark matter. In additional, I have explained that only invisible matter, which cannot be seen by detected by electromagnetic radiation, poses a negative energy can travel through a black hole. The overall discussion of my paper, once you read it, you can understand its depth. My research paper is Modern Idea of Big Bang by Dark Matter and Dark Energy. The Big Bang happened due to dark energy and dark matter instead of sudden expansion of black holes. Because at the beginning of the universe, chemical reaction happened continuously to create stars, planet, dust particles, and nebulae form. But in case of black hole died, it shrink because become singularity point and become invisible and exhaust radiation. Only there is no proof of formation of galaxies, star, planet inside a black hole. If it will happen, we can easily see the multiverse, and if it is true, the space could look like multiverse. Inside a black hole, only invisible matter can enter, like dark matter and dark energy, those which have negative energy and cannot be detected by electromagnetic radiation. The Big Bang is a physical described by how the universe expanded from initial state to high density and temperature. Big Bang theory is inspired by the discovery of expanding universe by Edwin Hubble. And Stephen Hawking said that the Big Bang is caused by the explosion of black holes and our universe was born from the sudden expansion of the black hole. But it is also written in many books in the universe was born because the explosion of black holes. But I could read it and I look at it from the practical viewpoint, whether this would be happen or not. I see some flaws in it. As explained, when a singularity point becomes very dense and temperature increases a billion degrees Celsius, then it will become a black hole and it explodes. And this is the reason mentioned in many books by Big Bang Theory. But practical viewpoint is that we would find a black holes, but when they died, no universe and beginning of solar systems it could be seen and created. And they died, they release only radiation and become invisible. So let's go to further. This means that the Big Bang did not happen due to the sudden expansion of black holes. If it is true, we would be able to see the new solar system and birth of planet. We would also be able to see the multiverse whenever the black hole die. I believe that at the time of Big Bang, space and time to be stopped, and three forces are exist: force of dark energy, and the holding force of dark matter, and the force of gravity. At the present situation seems to be such that force of dark energy is greater than equal to holding force of dark matter is greater than equal to force of gravity, which is represented by the redshift model. This is simply means that the dark energy is extremely strong because of the universe is expanding, and dark matter, on the other hand, provided the structure of the universe, act as a holding force, while the gravity is a weak force that exists at the center of the point of everything. So let's go to further. Whenever we come within the zone of gravity, the closer we get the central point or the core of matter, the stronger the gravity becomes. This is why we feel an attraction when approaching a planet. But when we're talking about the entire universe, the amount of dark energy is so greater that it is cause a continuous expansion, making a gravity a weak force at a cosmic scale. Finding the central point of the universe is very difficult, but whether it may be or the pull of gravity would be felt there. The gravity describes itself into the core of a planet and star. In this way, every planet and star has its own gravity, but there is no gravity in empty space itself because the dark matter and dark energy exist there, whose forces are very stronger. This is why we do not feel the gravity in space. Gravity is only present where there is a core of matter, and its effect is felt when we approaching in it. As for a black hole, it is possible inside a black hole by invisible matter, like dark energy and dark matter, can travel through inside a black hole. But whether a spaceship and human can go inside a black hole is still unproven. I think the invisible matter which cannot be detected by electromagnetic radiation, might be travel inside a black hole. However, whether a spaceship can pass through is still without an evidence and a concrete idea, similar to what was shown in the Interstellar movie. We also know the concept of a wormhole, and a question arises is that where it is. I think the wormhole are present inside a black hole, and the inside path of a black hole is a wormhole, which is a door of a shortcut path, and the ending point of the black hole is a white hole. There is a two-way trip in the universe. One is the cyclic trip, and second is the rectilinear shortest path trip. The rectilinear shortest path trip is a path of a wormhole. So let's go to the upcoming slide. So now look at my first model, which is represented by the dark energy and dark matter and gravity combination. The model depicts that the Big Bang theory by dark energy, colliding brane multiverse and centered gravity model. This diagram was made by Mohammed Lukman Khan as shown as that the expansion rate created by the dark energy is greater than the speed of light, represented the square shape in a diagram. This is a symbolic representation of the Big Bang and Big Crunch. The dark matter which gives the structure of the universe holds the galaxies within their gravity attraction, which is represented by a triangular shape. The black hole, where the time slows down and particles come closer to the event horizon of the black holes, are strongly attracted inside a black hole and leave out heat radiation through the white holes, which is on the universe too. The diagram shows that the only space is expanded due to dark energy and dark matter is attracted and squeezed by gravity when centered gravity dominated only repulsive dark energy force, but they are bounded by the dark matter within gravity attraction when it will exhaust all the fuel. Hence, gravity will dominate it and particles start collapsing within their gravity. We saw that one day all the particle galaxies are collapsed within their gravity, but space is always expanding due to the centrifugal force of the dark energy. Now, talking about my second model, the redshift model. Step 1. Centered origin, where the gravity is so strong created contraction of matter and galaxies are attracted towards their center for making a singularity point where the dark matter shall hold the galaxies within their orbit and dark energy created expansion due to the exerting a centrifugal force giving a space on redshift. Step 2. Here the center origin further collapse the galaxy toward their center and galaxies are closer. The centered origin gravity attraction is so high, those lies are far away from the centered gravity attraction is low. And dark energy always create a centrifugal force, outward force, create expansion. Step 3. The boundaries of the one universe deform due to the redshift centrifugal force of dark energy. And all the galaxies are collapsed to make a singularity point. Step 4. Here, the expansion is so large and boundaries are represented by dotted line. Only positive energy singularity point and origin point and negative energy dark energy left. Step 5. Here the energy and density become higher and higher and it explode in the form of concentric circle. Step 6. The charges are cancelled out and nothing can be left. Empty space left referred to as everything was God. Hence, it will again form a galaxies and matter due to the reaction happen continuously. So it will again form a life of human in a species. There is a life chain of dominant character means those species are dominated and more development rule in this universe and so on. Now the current scenario, the number of dark energy and dark matter is greater than the positive energy of singularity point exerted by dark energy is greater due to this criteria. The universe is going on redshift. After a billion years later, the dominancy will get reversed. Dark energy exhausts their all centrifugal force, and then gravity will make singularity point. Thank you. Thank you so much, and go to subscribe my channel like YouTube and Instagram ID.